Hello, I'm here to show you another app. This one is called Class Cards. Class Cards is an app for the Apple App Store and on Android. It is $4.99 right now on the Apple App Store. I think it's well worth it. And this one you can use for structured observation assessments or quick quizzes with your students. So I can show you some examples of how this app has been used. I have Period 2 Chukball here. We can look at I can select it and randomly give students, it'll randomly pick students. So I have Maroon Team, Nick here. Give Nick an A, B, C, or D after I watch Nick perform in Chukball. And I'll pass him right now. We'll go to Melanie, and then you see the next students are there. And you can look on their scores, and it shows you how many times I assessed those students. So 95 would be an A, and 85 would be a B. And you can see Melanie here is averaged up to an 89. So it'd be close to an A, and you can see how many times it assessed each student and what their scores are. And you can even send those to yourself. But if I wanted to add a new class, I would just hit this edit button, and we can create a new class. And I could call it, P9, whatever period you want. You can name a new class. But what I like to do is I make a class, and I edit it, or copy it, duplicate it. So we'll duplicate G period 1 there, and now I can call it, let's say I wanted to assess playing team handball gameplay. So I make one class and I duplicate it so I don't copy over that class, and it saves it. And now we have P1 team handball gameplay, and I can select it right here. We can hit random, and there the students are. Now if I wanted to create a new class, and we'll just call this, for an example, P9, and if I click on P9 and edit it, now this is where I can add students. So I want to say John H, and it'll save that student. And here we can go back now and select P9 random, and there's John H. So that's how you make classes. It usually takes me about 5 minutes to type in the names of my students for each class, and then I save it. So that's Class Cards. Again, right now it's $4.99 on the Apple App Store. It's also on the Android App Store if you have